Hi there. I am here today to show you how you can make money while you sleep or doing something else. It is absolutely free. Stay tuned to learn more. This method that I am about to show you works worldwide. Before we start, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon, and I will notify you every day when I am creating new video just like this one. Today I am going to show one app that it is going to pay you a lot of money doing simple tasks. You can refer your friend to join the team and explore the app. You can download for free some different app, and this app it is going to pay you. The app name it is Influencersearn.com. Work on this app from your laptop, from your smartphone and from other devices. So you can earn more and more money. So you need to search for this app on Google or on your Google Play Store. It is very easy to create an account. I already have one here. And play with the app. Grab your affiliate link and invite your friend here. Share this link and earn $2 for every person who clicks on it. Earn an additional $10 when they sign up. Here I am going to show you my YouTube channel, one of my business page and my Instagram. Please, if you find my video useful, like it, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching.